This is the first listen to my new sound. I switched up my sound to more fit me, and it's the first ever listen of it. This is the first ever, what is it called, televised moment of it, because I just been doing it on my own. This is the first ever time anybody's ever gonna hear it. In the song, I was really talking bullshit, but I don't care. It sounds good. I do care. It might or might not release. Let me see if I'm gonna buy a reverb. It's hot in here. Let me see how it sounds with a lot of. That actually sounds good. Let me pause it. It doesn't need it. It's really hot in here. So let's see if that sounds good. Naya. Her, yeah, see me in Rotten. Her, yeah, wanna go out tonight. Her, yeah, wanna feel more than alright. Get myself to her, yeah, know I'm in my zone. When I need think about no friends, I put down my phone and get ready to ascend. Leave the bullshit behind. Why you tell